Hello everyone, welcome again to our 10-day 9-night trip to China. Today we have reached our last city in China, which is Shanghai. We left Shanghai airport at around 5 p.m. and proceed to Metropark Jichen Hotel, Shanghai, China. Okay guys, this is Metropark Jichen Hotel. It is a 26-story ambassador hotel and located in Jichen district of Shanghai. And let me show you around, okay? This is the lobby and the reception counter is in front there. Now let's go up to the room. Our room is on the 12th floor. And this is the mini gym. Now let's go to the room. Okay, this is our room. It's a business suite. This is our daughter bed. And this is our room. I can say that this room is very big and comfortable. Okay, this is mini pantry and the wardrobe area. And lastly, the bathroom. It's a huge bathroom with a bathtub. After settling with the room, we headed down and met our tour guide and our driver and headed to one of the halal restaurants recommended by them. Guys, this is a very good restaurant. A big space, very clean, very friendly staff, and the most important is a very delicious food. After a sumptuous and satisfying dinner, we headed to our next destination, which is the Nanjing Road and the Bund. Guys, Nanjing Road is a road in Shanghai, the eastern part of which is the main shopping district of Shanghai. And guys, this street is one of the busiest shopping streets in the world, along with the place like 5th Avenue, Oxford Street, Orchard Road, Takashita Street, and more. And guys, if you walk further down, you will see the Bund. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about the Bund. The Bund is a waterfront area and a protected historical district in central Shanghai. This area has a significant European influence, with the style of many structures that comparable with the most of the European cities. And guys, this is the waterfront of Huangpu River. After exploring the waterfront area, we headed back to our vehicle and back to our hotel for the night rest. With that, we end our video here. Hope to see you again and thank you for watching.